Okay, now for the drinks. So, Boxxo, give me some beer, please. Lots of beer. Congratulations. Ah, gratefully. Now I can drink all of them.
So if Lammis is gonna drink all the beer, what is my status here? Well, it's not enough, but it's okay. I can do use beer over that thing. I believe so.
Ah, feels so good.
What? Is she drunk?
Oh, Boxxo, I love you so much.
Oh dear, Lammis. I believe them. I believe my status on beer was really too much. Whoa. She had a hiccup because she was drunk.
Hiccup, hiccup.
Whoa, that's pretty good. I won't talk that much because she was really good at this. Whoa. She kind of warmed into her arms now, and I smell like alcohol to her. Wait, I don't have a nose. I have eyes. I don't have a mouth either, because I can talk with without my mouth.
You smell nice, Boxxo.
Whoa. I never know she smelled me. Now my sense of smell is really good. What's the matter? Lammis? Oh dear, I think that's one of her friends that's just coming over.
She's been drunk, isn't she? And she fell in love with Boxxo.
Good for me, I have just in time for beer now. Boxxo, give me beer, please.
Congratulations.
Okay, let's eat one beer. Ready? Cheers! Now that I got my status, it's really a lot of beer now. Okay, well, I'm just about ready to take Lammis for bed, so she could be sleepy for a while, and she will be not drunk anymore.